So far, I have some few mbiras that I own. These are the mbiras that I'm using to teach the street kids. But right now, we don't have sponsorship for them to have their own mbiras. We are only using my own personal mbiras, and I cannot leave them with the mbiras. That's the challenge.
That's mbira na ngoma kilovini mbirike. No, go far out. No, it's mbira. Just looking over just looking around.
So my desire is to give them at least two instruments so that they can play. They put a plate there. Whilst people are passing, they just give them money. Instead of going and begging, last 3 or 10 cents, they would rather get the money as donations whilst they are providing entertainment. So my desire is, if I get the instruments, as you have seen, they can play. They have to have their own instruments so that they can use it as a source of income rather than to beg. I want to remove the mentality of begging.